Welcome to KidDomoTV. Hi guys, it's KidDomoTV here, and I'm with my cousin.
Hello, my name is Connor.
And also
You've seen me in the Minecraft video that we made.
And even I was waiting for this.
We've been waiting for this package for 3 days, and you'll be able to see what's inside of it once we open it. So here we go.
And sometimes I can peel the tape off.
Now we've been wanting to make some Nerf videos for you guys.
Yeah.
So we've got these
box so taped up. What is it? What is it? I was being waited.
300 Nerf guns.
For like grenades or something. 300 bullets.
From this company right here. Okay.
So let's open it. Right. We got all these guns here. Whoa! It's in plastic, guys.
Of course.
We got.
It feels like the tip. It looks like the tip is plastic, which is gonna hurt a lot.
Here's all of these stuff. Yeah, all of these bullets. Well, anyway, they're the same color, so you don't need to like. How do we say what's that one? What's that one?
Okay, so this is a plastic tip and this is a rubber tip, and as you can see, one is shinier than the other.
Look at this, after and then now, after now, after now.
And this is like a little bit longer. This is just like by a tiny bit.
These shoot like anyways hard. Okay, guys, we're gonna do a shoot test.
Alright, so I'm shooting my hand, and I'm shooting the plastic one first, and you see one that I shot.
And
already.
guys, if you notice,
right, and then now I'm gonna shoot the
this
rubber
shoots 2 times.
Yeah, this one's harder, a lot harder. Plastic one. Try it.
I got right over here. Sorry, guys. Can't see it.
All right.
Yeah. That one shoots very far. So.
That was perfect.
Yeah, it's perfect. We have way more guns than these.
This is not even half of the guns that we have.
Yeah, because we have these.
These are gonna be for another video that you will see.
So
now we have about 500 bullets. And
yes.
we had about 200 before this, but now we have about 300. So 500 bullets. That's a lot.
500 bullets. Wait,
guys, comment down below what you want us to do with these.
Yeah.
Like challenges and stuff or whatever.
Wow, like anyway, shooting down the biggest building in the whole entire world.
Sure. Yeah.
Like a Lego building. The biggest one.
And you can shoot people with these.
Yeah. But the top, they are very hard. So warning.
Wait,
hold on.
We're sharing in bullets.
I'm trying to dump it on.
Okay.
Connor stands up because he has to see the bullets.
Sure.
And here, guys, do you know what's in here? Ammo. I only have one piece of ammo.
It's just a shotgun for.
Yeah. So we can put this in, and also this shoots very hard. Also, it shoots 3 bullets at a time. Hey guys, I'm gonna shoot at the camera.
Ooh, that sounded hard.
Whoa, that was hard.
Dang, these are.
Ow.
Ouch, that was hard.
But this brings us to the end of our video, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more Nerf videos. Like, we're working on a zombie simulator for the Nerf guns. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.
Even gun game.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, like a gun game.
Bye.